So I want you to take a look at this report. Basically what happened with the controversy of were there pro-Pakistan sloganeering done in the Vidhan Sauda when Nasir Hussain won as the Member of Parliament. Now, while the Congress party initially said as a ruling party that they were just praising Nasir Hussain as an MP, saying Nasir Hussain Zindabad, but there was then an FSL report submitted to the government. And then 3 individuals were arrested. And then the minister of the government also said that it does appear that someone in that crowd was shouting pro-Pakistan slogan. BJP, of course, has jumped on this. What is the politics like and what is the investigation? Where is it heading to? Here's a report for you.
The Karnataka government has now confirmed what India Today reported first, that Pakistan slogans were indeed shouted in Vidhan Sauda in Bengaluru.
Twice that individual, whoever has shouted, he has shouted twice. So that has been confirmed. So based on that, FSL has not said who has said that. Based on that, we have identified 3 persons who were very close, and looking at the lip movement and so on, the police has confirmed that and arrested 3 people.
The political war of words is only escalating, with the BJP demanding that the Congress be tried for treason and investigated under the anti-terror law, UAPA.
BJP workers also have shouted pro-Pakistan. It is on record. BJP tried to close the case, but now those local workers are telling you have to investigate that matter and the police will look into it. The law of this land will take its action.
ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಪ್ರಜೆ ಕೂಗಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ದೇಶದ್ರೋಹದ ಕೆಲಸವೇ. ಒಬ್ಬ ರಾಜ್ಯಸಭಾ ಎಂಪಿ ಎಂಎಲ್ಎ ಯಾರೇ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಗಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ದೇಶದ್ರೋಹಿ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆನೇ. ಅವನು ಹಿಂದೂ, ಅವನು ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಉದ್ಭವ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಗಂಭೀರವಾಗಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗಂತೂ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
The 3 accused, Iltiaz, Munawar and Mohammad Shafi, have now been sent to 2-day custody. But images of them with top Congress leaders from Rahul Gandhi to the Karnataka Chief Minister and his deputy have added to Congress's embarrassment.
कर्नाटक की जनता पूछ रही है कि पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद का नारा विधान सौदा के अंदर हो, किसी एक एमपी के जीतने पर हो, मुख्यमंत्री चुप, उप मुख्यमंत्री चुप, आपके राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष चुप, राहुल गांधी जी चुप. क्या आप पाकिस्तान की मदद करने के लिए पैदा हुए हैं?
Chorus is growing for the resignation of Nasir Hussain, who was elected as Rajya Sabha MP, for whom the Pakistan slogans were allegedly raised.
ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಾಸಿರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರ ರಾಜ್ಯಸಭಾ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ವೇಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಗೆಲುವು ಸಾಧಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೈಕಾರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ನಾಸಿರ್ ಹುಸೇನ್ ಜಿಂದಾಬಾದ್, ನಾಸಿರ್ ಹುಸೇನ್ ಜಯವಾಗ್ಲಿ, ನಾಸಿರ್ ಖಾನ್ ಜಿಂದಾಬಾದ್, ನಾಸಿರ್ ಸಾರ್ ಜಿಂದಾಬಾದ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೈಕಾರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಜೈಕಾರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
With the arrest of 3 accused and the FSL report, the Congress government in Karnataka finds itself on the back foot. With Sagai Raj and Nagarjun Dwarkanath in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.